Welcome to U-Wrench. Today working on the Mark 5 Ford Explorer. Going to show you how to replace the battery. Let's do it. So all you're going to need is either a size 10 socket or a size 10 wrench. So we have a retaining bracket across the top of the battery here, size 10 on either side. Need to get these nuts removed. Then carefully lift the bracket up and move that out of the way. So now we need to remove the negative terminal. And do exactly the same to get this removed. As you can see, I've had quite a build-up of corrosion around the positive terminal. That's precisely why this battery is being replaced today. This battery is 7 years old. So now the battery is ready to be lifted out. Now of course it is quite heavy and you want to be careful with the cables to make sure that they're clear as you pull it out. And also remember you do have these, so it's got to come straight up. We're going to go ahead and clean up our positive terminal. Hopefully you won't need to. And then next, if your battery's got an insulation jacket, take it off of the old one and put it onto the new one in exactly the same orientation. So now we're going to refit the battery clamps. Always start with the positive, remove the cover. Lift the positive into place, over the top of the post, push it down nice and firmly. Make sure it's fully seated. Then we need to tighten this down. You don't want to over tighten this because you can deform the clamp here. What you want to do is tighten it and so there's no movement in it. We're close there, I can just about twist it a little bit tighter. And just check that it definitely won't rotate around the post, which that doesn't, so that's perfect. And then we can refit the protective cover over the top. So now do exactly the same on the negative, remove the new cover. And when we touch our negative clamp onto the negative terminal, it's usual that we get a spark. That is completely normal, nothing to be concerned about. Additionally, things like the lights on the car may come on, again completely normal. So push it all the way down, make sure it's fully seated, and then again tighten this up. And again, don't over tighten it. We're going to get it so that it cannot move around the post, so that's perfect. So now we're going to refit the clamp, push it all the way down. I'll just tighten these down by hand first of all. And when you tighten this up, you don't want to over tighten it, you're not trying to crush the battery, but you need to ensure that it's clamped the battery securely in place and the battery cannot move. Because it's still loose, you'll be able to see that the battery physically moves. That's what we need to get rid of. And try and tighten it with the same amount on both sides. And then try and move the battery. If there's no movement at all, you're good. So that is how to replace the battery on the Mark 5 Ford Explorer. If this video has been helpful for you, that's one favour in return. At the very least, please be sure to hit that like button for us. It really helps us out. And whilst you're there, also consider subscribing. We've got hundreds more videos on our channel, just waiting for you to take a look at. Thank you for joining us, we appreciate it. We'll see you again.